is hard to play with a cat toy. It's just not as bouncy. It's not. And I don't know. It just feels so weird. I know. Okay. 6-4. Ah! 6. No, 7-4. 7-5 now. Seven, 6. 6. Oh no! My point. 7-7. So hard to play with a cat. 8-7. We're going first to 25, right? Yeah. Should we ever have time? Let's just halftime show. Ah! Seven. 8, actually. Oh no. I'm gonna use my hands. Oh, that's not gonna work. Gotta go like this. Oh. Stop. Let's stop. Oh, what a... That was a good shot. 12 to 9. Oh! I feel a little better than this. It's just the cat boy. We haven't played in a little bit too. Yeah. Maybe like a week. 12, 11. 12. Oh, what the heck was I trying to do? It's fun using cat toy. Just kind of. Just different. It's not too. God. 14, 12. Still recovery though. Oh, I just stopped short. Huh. I think we cracked it. Ah, that was a good round. 16, 14. What a rally! Oh, what a shot! That was a good serve. Oh, that was a good 17, 15. 17, 16. This one. That's no, yeah, that's mine. Yeah, that's. We're not gonna include the dumb rule we made that if it goes out and it hits your paddle, it's the other person's point. I'm gonna play professional ping pong. Oh, I work hard. Ah, shoot. I think myself is pretty good. So like, it's tied right now, 17, 17. Ah! This is probably our longest video yet. Yeah. So I just You don't need, but you don't have to.
Yeah.
I honestly don't care.
You
The
just,
person who created the channel, I was the one who wants. I want for people to subscribe,
but
like, and comment.
of
And
course,
I mean, I'd like if you could do that, but I honestly do not care. I mean,
let's try to get to. Let's get this video to
1 subscriber,
by this week.
please.
And if we
I might get some new Air Max 97 Steelers shoes
Wow.
that I could
Hail,
make a video.
Hail, you live in Maryland.
I like the Steelers. Come on.
Oh, Maryland.
I don't care.
Ravens.
I like the Ravens too. It's just Steelers, and we're better than you too. You can't say, oh.
Yeah, well, I like the Packers.
I mean, yeah, that is kind of actually. It's not too weird. Oh,
I don't know why I like the Bucks. I don't know why I didn't like the Vikings. Yeah.
oh! Ah!
If we get the subscribers by this week, we will do a pillow fight.
Okay. Yeah, that's actually not a bad idea.
We'll show it to you guys.
Oh, you're breaking away.
Uh,
22 to 20 now.